Hi girls, this video is about equations with fractions. So I'm going to do just a few different examples that we did in class that will hopefully help you catch up what you missed in class. So the first question, x divided by 2 plus 4 equals 7. What do I do first? I always do the big whole number first, because the x is tied up with the 2, so I'm going to minus 4 from both sides. Minus 4, minus 4. That leaves x over 2 equals 3. Now I've got x divided by 2. I'm going to times by 2, times by 2. That leaves me with x equals 6. That's my solution. The second question is easy. X over 2 equals 6. I'm going to multiply by 2 because 2 is in the denominator. So 2 times 2, that crosses off. 2 times 6 equals 12. X equals 12. Now I've got x plus 3 over 2 equals 6. Very similar. I'm still going to do the crossing off of the 2's and multiplying 6 by 2, but I get left with x plus 3 on the left equals to 12. Minus 3, x equals to 9. Now we're going to learn something called cross multiplying. We draw a cross in and we multiply the two ends of the cross. Cross multiplying. That might help you remember. So, starting with 2 times everything at the end of that cross, x plus 2. 4 times everything at the end of the cross, x plus 5. So following our arrows, 2 times x, 2 times 2 equals 4 times x, 4 times 5. Now we've got an equation with x's on both sides, so we need to get them on the one side. I'm going to subtract 2x. That leaves 4 on the left-hand side, 2x on the right-hand side, 20 on the left. Now I need all my numbers on the left, so minus 20 gives me negative 16 equals 2x. Divide by 2, x equals negative 8. Good job if you've managed to follow all those steps. Fantastic. Let's do one more. So we've got x plus 4 over 3, 2 minus x over 5. We're cross multiplying. So 5 times x plus 4 equals 3 times 2 minus x. Drawing in some arrows. 5 times x, 5 times 4 equals 3 times 2 and 3 times negative x. Okay, now getting all the x's together, I'm going to plus 3x to both sides. And I end up with 8x plus 20 equals 6. So I end up with 6 minus 20, which is negative 14, and 8x divided by 8, x equals negative 14 on 8, which also equals negative 7 on 4.